Dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to talk to you about a problem that can occur with the refrigerator. Have you ever found the refrigerator door misaligned with the side of the cabinet? Well, this is generally a problem that occurs when there is some loosening of a hinge, which we will now check. The consequences of this problem are that the door might not close properly, allowing warm air to enter. And over time, some hinges might also get damaged and therefore need to be replaced, with the risk. Perhaps sometimes the door might even come off in your hand. So now let's check the condition of the hinges. As you can see, the misalignment in this case is at the top. So do you see how the door moves like this? And so the problem is definitely due to the upper hinge, which we are now going to check. All right, since it's the upper hinge, we first need to get a ladder, as you can see. We return to the hinge cover by pressing upwards. And as you can see, by making the movement, you can immediately understand that these screws have loosened. So we need to get these tools, in this case, a Phillips screwdriver or a number 8 wrench, to be able to tighten it. So we put the door in the correct position and tighten the screws. There you go, as you can see. Now the door is aligned. So once we have tightened the screws, we can also close it back up and put the hinge cover back on. Anyway, as you have seen, it's not a complicated problem. It's something that can happen, even though it doesn't occur very often. But it's a problem that can be easily solved at home with very simple tools without having to call a technician. So now we can put the cover back on. We can say that this time we performed this small intervention on an Ariston refrigerator, model LH 8FF. So, this problem with the hinges can clearly also occur with the middle hinge or the lower hinge. So if it should happen, the middle hinge, when opening the refrigerator door, here you will find 2 screws that clearly just need realign and tighten the screws. If this problem occurs with the lower hinge, you will need to proceed in this way. So you will need to open the refrigerator, and most likely you will also need to lay the refrigerator down, because surely the hinge has one of the fastening screws also in the lower part, so underneath. Therefore, it will be necessary to empty the refrigerator and tilt it. To see how to operate with a tilted refrigerator, you can refer to this previous video of ours, which I will now leave here as a link. Well, dear friends, we are done for today. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. I recommend you subscribe to the channel so you help us grow, and write your comments. And especially if you have had similar problems, let us know so that we can discuss and comment on it. Thanks again to everyone, and goodbye.